Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we'll be demonstrating to you how to use keywords everywhere. So, what is keywords everywhere? So, keywords everywhere is a extension, Google extension to an extent because you can download it from Google extensions. It practically helps you to see other related keywords when you type in a search query. Like, for example, if you type in chocolate farm Europe, it would then give you other keywords, much as HRFs, but right in front of you, right in your dashboard. So this is really cool tool to always check. Maybe in a client meeting, if they want to rank for a specific keyword, you can always just check on the SERPs. Awesome. So let's dive straight into it. So as you can see in front of your screen, I am open to it, open tab, which probably I want to do as well. And then you want to just type in your query over here. So I'm just going to go SEO agency London some, and I'm just going to let that load quickly. So there we go. Great. Cool stuff. It's all loaded. So as you can see here on my right bar, HRFs is giving me some nice uh keywords to that are related. So as you can see, SEO agency London and so on. But we're not doing a HRFs tutorial today. We are doing a keywords everywhere. So we just wanna get rid of this for now. Collapse. Awesome. So as you can see here, what's pretty cool about how do I switch that? Okay, awesome. As you can see, what's pretty cool about keywords everywhere, it sort of also tells you how well this keyword is going for. So as you can see, it was mostly searched in 2020. That's when they had the most amount of search as to now. So it's really good to see. So as you can see, SEO agency UK, it shows you volume, click per cost, competition, and trend. So this is always something to always nice to see. As you can see, I've hovered over trend for that specific keyword, SEO agency UK, and it sort of tells us in the month of December there was 8,100 people searching for that. Um, so that's something definitely to keep in mind. And as you can see here, we're number 5 for SEO agencies. So please stalk us. This is our website right here, at prolemon.com. Leave a like down in the comment. Leave a like, leave a comment down in the description, the comment section. And for more videos like this, because we release them every single day just to help you to be a better SEO specialist or better business owner. So till the next video, ciao.